for all the binge watchers out there, I am definitely recommending Abhay 2, now streaming on ZEE5 Premium.
हर कहानी खत्म वही होनी चाहिए जहाँ से उसकी शुरुआत होती।
24 घंटे हमारे पास इन बच्चों को अपने माँ बाप से मिलाने के लिए।
उसने इन दोनों को इसलिए मार दिया क्योंकि वो गे थे।
ये जो जहर फैला रही है हमारे युवाओं में, उसको काटने का एक ही तरीका है, शुद्धि, और वो मैं करूंगा।
Well, this year has made us experience so many unplanned, unexpected things. Our life as we know it has been turned completely upside down. Which is why, जब कुछ familiar देखते हैं, तो excitement तो होती है। हमारे Special Task Force Officer Abhay Pratap Singh,
अगला केस।
यानी कुणाल खेमू is back with Abhay Season 2. It's a fictional show. All episodes are now available to binge watch. Total 8 है, कुछ 30-35 minutes each, which promises to take us back to the unflinching, gut-wrenching crime universe. वैसे crime thrillers की कमी तो है नहीं, but there's something truly addictive about the way this genre is dealt with on ZEE5 Premium. And tabhi, with how much we have loved Abhay in season 1, the next season would always have been a tough act to follow. But happy to report that हमारी expectations के weight के बावजूद, the wait has been worth it.
इसी अभय को देखना चाहता था ना, देख ले।
अब अगर आपको याद हो, सीजन 1 में each episode dealt with one villain, है ना? But this new season has not just episodic villains, but one दमदार super villain. Series writer सुधांशु शर्मा ने एकदम international format पर पूरे सीजन को बांधा है, with the menacing intentions of the main villain that makes the proceedings even more thrilling. Okay, right at the outset I must tell you कि ये वीडियो तो आप सब देख सकते हैं, पर ये वीडियो जिस शो के बारे में है वो शो सबके लिए नहीं है। जनहित में जारी अभय 2 is not for the faint-hearted. Crime thriller genre के lovers will obviously love the unapologetic portrayal of this dark, twisted world. They pull back no punches and a solid ensemble cast ensure you get your time's worth.
अब आएगा मजा।
अब आपसे क्या छुपाना, ऐसे भी मौके थे when I was literally hiding my face in the pillow because of the staggering crime world conjured up. But the one thing I loved about the show is how it challenges our own safe notions of what one can or cannot do. अब शो के हीरो कुणाल खेमू को ले लो. He's done these rib-tickling roles, right? And to see him ace it as a no-nonsense cop again, who can sniff a crime from miles away, superb. फिर है सबके स्वीट हार्ट सभ्य सुशील राम कपूर, जिनका रावण टाइप रूप यहाँ देखकर one is bound to wonder कि यार why did no one else think of this? He is the main villain and obviously I don't want to reveal all that happens in the show क्योंकि फिर आप क्या देखोगे, but he does keep us at the edge of our seats with the sinister motives and challenges.
दुनिया को बेहतर बनाने के लिए कभी-कभी 2-4 लोगों को शहीद भी होना पड़ता है.
Director Ken Ghosh along with writer Sudhanshu Sharma create a gritty narrative जहाँ पर every episode deals with a खूंखार killer. But instead of focusing on just the modus operandi of the crime, we delve deeper into the depraved mind of these characters, an exploration of their inner demons and what pushes them to do what they do. There's something that is so real and menacing about them, which is what makes this show so different from the rest. The momentum is maintained as Hari K. Vedantam's camera work is perfectly complemented by Ajay Singha's background score. The result, delectable intrigue and tension. हर एपिसोड की शुरुआत ही एक gut-wrenching crime से होती है and yet it ends with a cliffhanger, something that makes you want to press the skip credits option and head straight to the next episode. Episode 5 एक ऐसे crucial point पे end हुआ था, I couldn't wait to get on with the next. The final 3 episodes of this season that have been recently added will really nudge our curiosity quotient. एक unresolved riddle की तरह राम कपूर की कैरेक्टर की एंट्री होती है and we get to see how this maniacal mastermind competes with Abhay's impeccable judgment. At one point, Ram Kapoor's character says,
हर कहानी खत्म वही होनी चाहिए जहाँ से उसकी शुरुआत होती है. मैं तुम्हें वही मिलूंगा जहां से तुम्हारी कहानी शुरू हुई थी।
This cat and mouse chase that happens between the main villain and our law upholding hero is the beating heart of the show. They finish what they started together. Being careful about never once glamorizing all the violence and gore, ये हमें totally hooked रखती है. And that's the biggest test, right? To be able to binge watch a thriller in one go. After all, we get what it promised to deliver, an unapologetic look into the pulsating crime world. Tabhi, for all the binge watchers out there, I am definitely recommending Abhay 2, now streaming on ZEE5 Premium.
इसी अभय को देखना चाहता था ना, देख ले।